Hello there. I'm Pinky. I've come back. I have some parenting problems.
Have you gone through puberty? Your voice is so low.
Yes,
I thought
I
you
have.
were a girl.
No, I am not a girl. Idiot.
Can we have a rave?
What?
Can we have a rave?
What?
Stupid.
Dolphins cannot understand humans.
What?
Anyway, about my parenting problem, I have an egg. See, my wife laid an egg. Yes. How do I take care of
Let's
it?
have a rave to celebrate.
No, this is, we're celebrating the birth of my unborn child. Which doesn't really
Okay.
make sense already, but okay, so yeah.
That's what do we do with your egg?
I don't know. We tried to hush it to sleep and.
Okay. It's gonna crack.
Okay,
There, we got your egg back. Happy?
fine. Anyways, I was saying, can I throw ice at the camera?
No.
Can I throw fire?
No.
Oh, so that's
Can
why.
we have a rave?
Fine, but
Da
don't
da 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 da
I said
da
don't
da
let
da
the
da
don't
da
don't
da
get it involved.
da 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 da.
Don't. Okay, I put the egg in here. So yeah.
He's safe now.
Oh wait, I just remembered. He's not safe in here. Hi, my name is Slinky. I'm here to make parties better.
Da 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 da
I'm
da
an
da
anaconda.
da 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 da.
I think he died of partying. Well, that wasn't much help. I just need parenting advice. Please help me.
Okay. Go. First, what you need to do is, yes, okay. Follow my lead, okay?
Okay.
Okay, stay here.
Okay.
Okay, and now we have the egg.
Yes. No! You better pause that camera or I will destroy you.
Da 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 da